Hey there! In this video, I am going to show you how to add an American Express gift card to your PlayStation 5. If you have received an Amex gift card from a friend or as a reward, and you want to use it to buy games or add-ons on your PS5, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let us get started. First, let us talk about what an American Express gift card is. This is a prepaid card, not a credit card. You can only spend the money that is already loaded onto the card. Once you use up the balance, the card is empty and you cannot use it again. You cannot spend more than what is on the card. So it is safe, simple, and easy to use for online purchases. Before you add the card to your PS5, you should check how much money is on it. Go to the American Express gift card website. Type in the card number, the expiration date, and the security code from the back of the card. The website will show you the available balance. Write this number down so you know how much you can spend. Now let us add the card to your PS5. Turn on your PlayStation 5. On the home screen, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. This is the Settings menu. Select it. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see Users and Accounts. Select it. Then look for Payment and Subscriptions. Select that option. Under Payment and Subscriptions, you will see an option called Payment Methods. Select it. Then choose Add a credit or debit card. Even though this is a gift card, you add it the same way. Enter the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. For the billing address, use your own address. Make sure the zip code or postal code is correct. This is very important. Click Continue and then Done. Your Amex gift card is now on your PS5. Now you can use it to buy games. Go to the PlayStation Store. Find a game or add-on you want to purchase. Select Add to Cart and then proceed to checkout. When you see the payment options, your Amex gift card should appear as one of the choices. Select it and confirm the purchase. If your game costs more than the gift card balance, you may need to add another payment method to cover the rest. Here are some important tips. First, always make sure your billing address matches the address you have on file with your bank. If it does not match, the transaction may fail. Use the same name and address you use for other online payments. Second, check the available balance on your Amex gift card before you buy anything. You do not want to start a purchase and find out you do not have enough money. Third, if the card does not work, try removing it and adding it again. Double-check every number carefully. Sometimes a small typo can cause problems. And fourth, if your purchase is more than the gift card balance, you can use the gift card for part of the payment and a credit card or PayPal for the rest. Thanks for watching.